Okay, so we're going to walk through how to create an event for event hosts on Visiboo. Once you've landed on the website, we'll click Get Started. And for an event host, creating an event, we'll click Host an Event. As you can see, we're still currently in closed beta, so we'll just continue to log in. But normally, this would be the process of where you would sign up. Okay, once you've logged in, you can use the Create an Event on the left bar, or you can click Create an Event to the top right. We'll go top right for now. This is a Create an Event page. It's very minimalistic, simplistic, and this is by design. We only ask for details that are important to the attendees to be joining the event. Anything else after you create an event is additional. There's more stuff that you can add after. So we'll just call this Visiboo Demo Event. So this is a brief description and overview of what the event is. So we'll just say networking event with professionals in your area. And yep, let's fix that spelling. Okay, and now just the common details. So event date, start time, and end time. Now the event date, this is just the start date of the event, so the event can run multiple days. We'll give a location, we'll just say Scotland. And event logo and cover image. So event logo is what will appear on your QR code once your QR code is generated for the event. The cover image is the image that will appear on the attendee join page. Now lastly, the security settings. So by default, it's public. So anyone that scans the QR code and the link can join. This will probably be the most popular option. Your event page isn't indexable or discoverable, so only anyone with the QR code or link can join. So normally this will be people arriving at your event. There is a passcode where the users require a passcode to join, or approval where you need to approve each attendee. So we'll just do public for now. Create an event. As I've already mentioned, we're in beta, so this is free of charge. We've created an event and we're to an event overview page, and that is our event created. I'll give a quick breakdown of what this overview page is, but there will be another video explaining each section in detail. So this is your QR code generated. You can download this, share it, put it at the entrance to your event for your attendees to scan, join. And this is your event link that you can copy and share for attendees to join the event. This is your attendee list where you can manage the attendees. This is your analytics, where you can have a brief overview of the analytics of the event. There is more advanced analytics to the left-hand side through this menu that we can break down in another video. Engagement tools. So this is engagement tools for the event where you can engage live with the attendees. Currently we have the anonymous feedback launched where you can make feedback forms and send it out to the attendees of the event, collect real-time feedback. Very soon there'll be live polls, Q&As and interactive games. And this is the speakers and sponsors section. So this is where you can add the speaker schedule and the speaker profiles, and you can add any event sponsors here as well. And that is how you create an event on Visiboo.